এটা কাকে ফোন করতে? কি ফোন করতে মা?
Students, our assigned 40 minutes gone. That's why it is disconnected. Okay. I think all are joining, and you join here, and we can start again. Look. So we were working with examples and examples practice session, right? Now, can you see, students? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Messi is the best player, best of all players. Look. So what about if we just give you the correction? Look at the correction, comparative. Messi is better than what? Any other?
Sir, tell everyone to mute.
Students, why don't you stop talking?
Sir, tell everyone to mute their
I wait.
microphone.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Go to the level. Example total level.
Okay. Now we have done it. I think it will be okay now. I'm sharing the screen again. So I was just giving you the answer. This is the first one is comparative degree. This is comparative, right? Now the first one was superlative and this is comparative. Now I'm giving you positive. So what about the positive? How can we start? Can you? Then we have to start. Look, no other was there, right? No other player is as good as Messi. No other player is, or you can also write no other player in the world. You can use the phrase here, in the world. No other player in the world is as good as Messi. Now, did you get it?
Yes, sir. Can we write no other player in the world is so good as Messi because
No, yeah,
negative
yes, of
sentence.
course, because we told you that we can use either as or so, because this is negative sentence. So in negative sentence you can use either so or as, but if it was affirmative sentence you had to use as. Is it clear? Now there is another example. Let me share that now. So another example was it was, look, Messi is one of the most intelligent players in the world. Write it. Messi is one of the most intelligent players in the world. Now I have changed the word from best to intelligent. Now how many syllables are there? Intelligent. 4 syllables are there. So you know one and you see that there is the word one of the. So one of the is there. That means we have to go in a different way right now. So follow me. Now the answer of this question, first of all, let us make it comparative. So as there is one of the, we have to start. Messi is now what? As there is one of the, we have to use intelligent, right? So the word intelligent, what can we use? More intelligent or intelligenter? So
More intelligent.
More intelligent.
More intelligent.
Yeah, good. So Messi is
More.
more intelligent than what? Than any other, all other? Then any other or all other?
All other.
No.
Most
Most other. No, if
other.
if there is one of the, you have to use most other. Sometimes I will confuse you so that you can get the clarity later. Yeah.
Messi, no other player is as Messi.
Wait, wait,
What
wait,
is the
wait.
difference?
Wait.
No other player as good as Messi is.
Students, you just wait. I'm coming to the later part. Messi is more intelligent than most other what? Player or players? As there is most other. So it must be plural, players. Clear? And I'm answering the question to that student who asked me. He might be talking about the positive degree. So as there is one of the, how can we start? With very few. Can you remember? Very few what? Players. Very few players in the world. And look, I told you if the word few is there, it must be plural. So that's why we have used are. Very few players in the world are so intelligent as Messi. Did you get it? Students, now who told me, who asked me the question? Very few players in the world are, you can use either so or you can use as. It's your choice. As this is a negative sentence, so you can use so. But my suggestion is to use that. Always use as. That goes in favor of you. That means there is no chance of mistake. So that's why my suggestion is to use as in all the cases. Clear? So this is another example. So should I go for another one?
Positive.
Yes.
Yeah, positive it is done. We have started with very few, and that's why as few is the verb. So are is, few is the subject, it is plural, are is the verb here. Clear? Okay, let's go for another example, and I'm to share another slide with you, and this is okay. Can you see that? No.
No, sir.
No.
Wait. I'm to share another slide with you, and it is
Okay.
look now. You see, Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach, longest sea beach in the world. Which students? Which degree is it?
No idea about this.
Hey, why?
Superlative.
Superlative. Why? Because there is the.
Superlative.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
The longest.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes.
this means it is superlative. Now make it comparative. What will be the comparative form?
That is more longer than most
No.
of the-
Long. Look at the word long. Long is only one syllable. So what to use?
Longer.
Longer. So Cox's Bazar is longer than
Any other beaches
any other
sea beach in the world.
sea beach in the world, or
In the world.
all other
in the world?
all other sea beaches in the world. Any other sea beach or all other sea beaches.
Beaches.
If you use all other, use beaches. Clear? No, I'm going, as
Understand.
time is very short, we are going faster. So what will be the positive degree of this one? So as there is, it is directly of all category. So we have to use no other sea beach in the world is as long as Cox's Bazar. Again, I repeat, no other sea beach in the world is as long as Cox's Bazar. Someone is drawing. So who is drawing this? I need to turn off this option. Don't draw anything. Okay. So this is about the comparative and superlative. The last example for you all. It is Bangladesh is the most beautiful of all countries. So this is which degree?
Superlative.
Superlative. Fine. So what will be the comparative form? Bangladesh is more beautiful than any other country or all other countries. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
What will be the positive form? Can you? Start with no other. No other.
No idea.
No
As
other.
Bangladesh.
There is no idea.
Ah, stupid. Don't say no idea. No other country or
Is as
countries.
beautiful as Bangladesh.
Look, no other country.
Is as beautiful as
Is more
Bangladesh.
as beautiful
Fantastic. No other country is as beautiful as
as Bangladesh.
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 Fantastic. Students, now,
Sir, এটা তো
uh,
opposite হবে।
yeah, look, yeah,
Ah.
this is the important thing. If there is any student of class 8, you don't have degree in the syllabus, but they will give you the superlative degree and they will tell you that make it negative. And if it is superlative and you make it positive degree, then it automatically becomes negative, because we have to start with no other or very few. That always indicate negative sentence. Clear? So no, who said it will be opposite? Look, it is not opposite. Bangladesh is the most beautiful of all countries. That means there
Sir,
is no
Saif said
country.
opposite.
Look, there is no country.
Hey, mind.
There is no country that is beautiful like Bangladesh. That's why we said no other country is as beautiful as Bangladesh. Yeah, you mean opposite in practical sense, right? So don't go for practical. We are just practicing these for exam. Is it clear, student?
Yes,
now,
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now you can write a few examples to practice at home so that you can get it done very easily. Now, go for practice session and it will be homework. Can you see the sentences here? Who is drawing?
Yes, sir.
Student, don't stop drawing. Someone is drawing.
Sir, I know. Sir, Nayan করতেছে।
Stop. And I will just
Sir, Nayan kick out করে দেন, sir.
okay, I will just let him out of this group if someone is making any disturbance. Okay, I hope, and I trust you students. I do believe you. I hope you will not disturb the class. So write the examples. Write the examples, and this is your
Sorry.
homework. Students,
Sir,
I told
Sir,
you not to make sound. I am telling you again, and there is principal, sir. There are other teachers. There are your guardians. And if you make any disturbance, and your ID is already being noted, do you know that your ID is already being noted? And if you make any disturbance, actually, it will be a problem for you. And I don't want my dear students to be in problem. I always like you very much, and I will do. I hope you will do so. You will keep the environment clean and very much comfortable. Okay, so
Sir.
Please.
sir, one thing.
Now
How
stop
can I
now.
get the recording?
No, recording I will tell you later. Now, right, just note the sentences down. This is your homework. Just note it down.
Where, sir?
Yeah, I'm giving this. Just wait. The first one, Dhaka is the busiest of all cities in Bangladesh. The first one. You have to make it comparative and positive degree. Dhaka is the busiest of all cities in Bangladesh. Then number 2, have you heard of Vladimir Putin? He's the president of Russia. So Putin is one of the most powerful. Look, Putin is one of the most powerful leaders in the world. I repeat, Putin is one of the most powerful leaders in the world. Next
We
one.
will make all comparative and superlative.
Yeah, of course.
Positive and superlative.
Yeah, positive and no,
Wait,
it is comparative. There is the, so you have to use a comparative and superlative. He is the cleverest man. I repeat, he is the cleverest man. Make it comparative and positive. The last sentence is NASCD is the most beautiful college in Dhaka. I repeat, NASCD is the most beautiful college in Dhaka. So all the all the 4 examples, you just make it to comparative and positive degree. So I hope by this time you have written all the sentences.
No.
You are getting
No, sir.
20 more seconds.
Yes, sir. Return
Yeah.
now. Getting done.
Can we take a screenshot?
Everything done.
Done. Done.
Thank
এটা
you
বলার
very much.
দরকার নেই।
So as everything is done, I think it makes you more fun, isn't it?
আরে শর্ট একটা ফান না স্ক্রিনশট মারো
Students,
Yes,
So,
ভালো বলছো।
thank you very much. Stay home,
আরে
stay safe,
স্ক্রিনশট মেরে দিছি
because students
স্যার, রেকর্ডিং?
yeah, you stay home and stay safe, so don't go outside, and always follow the instruction of your parents.
Thank you, sir.
You stay safe, and you help the country. You help yourself, you help the country. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you very much, and see you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
এই বন্ধুরা বাই, সবাই বাই।
Bye.